Here is how to make super easy and yummy air fryer donut holes that require no yeast. To make these air fryer donut holes, mix together 1 cup of self-rising flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1 cup of kefir. If you don't have kefir, then full-fat Greek yogurt or sour cream works as well. Knead the dough for 5 minutes and shape and form the dough into a ball. Now, separate the dough into 2 pieces and roll each piece into a log. Then, cut the log into small bite-sized pieces and roll all the pieces into balls. Now, slightly coat the air fryer basket with cooking oil and place the donut balls in the air fryer basket. Air fry the donut bites at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes. Now, put the donut balls in a bowl and coat them with melted butter and a mix of sugar and cinnamon. And if you feel extra naughty, you can even drizzle them with a bit of melted chocolate. If you like these air fryer donut holes, then check out also these air fryer chocolate chip cookies that are soft, gooey, and absolutely delicious. Check it out now.